Hi guys, it's Natalie again with RectorSeal. We were talking about the wonderful Lineshot device earlier in the week, and I wanted to show you a really little neat test with this tube here. I put in all of the dryer lint, and we're going to show you how much pressure the Lineshot device has, and it's going to be able to push it out of here. Another really little neat thing about the Lineshot is that not only does it come with this nozzle here, and you can use it as such, but you can actually also remove this, and it works very well with our wonderful new generation of safety switches, the SC1. You can actually attach it right here. That is a straighter valve, so it attaches right there, and you are able to clear out your line. So let's go ahead and put this to the test. Let's go ahead and put this back on and watch the amount of pressure that this Lineshot has. Isn't that wonderful? That was a ton of lint that was very jam-packed in here, and it was able to completely push it out. So once again, this is a Lineshot AC drain line flush device. It is one of our hottest selling items. Contractors absolutely love it.